Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to make a cat girl in Infinite Craft. So first thing that you will do is go for earth, water, and then go for fire, and then go for plant and smoke, and now go for incense, smoke, angel, and after that just simply go for fire, water, and then fire and plant, and connect the two. And from here just go for devil, and then earth two times, and from here go for devil and earth, and now just go for devil three times, and until you reach hell, and from here go ahead and connect two of them, and go for Satan, go for water, go for human, and dog. From here, just simply go ahead and go for human three times, guys. And just simply go ahead and go for dog and baby. And now go for dog and cat. And now connect the tree. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.